You're looking at a 2023 GMC Acadia. All-wheel drive, the Acadia is a one-owner vehicle. There are no accidents recorded on a history report. The interior and exterior are clean. The SUV also has the remainder of the factory warranty. The 18-inch tires are in good shape. It has a 2-liter turbo engine, 9-speed automatic transmission. Safety features include automatic emergency braking, IntelliBeam auto high beams, following distance indicator, forward collision alert, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, front pedestrian braking, rear cross traffic alert, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, safety alert seat, teen driver mode, HD rear vision camera. Features include leather seating, hands-free, power rear lift gate. Front seats are power adjustable and heated. Tri-zone automatic climate control. 6-passenger seating. 8-inch GMC infotainment with wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth streaming, Sirius XM satellite radio, and Onstar Bose premium sound 8-speaker audio. Power windows, locks and side mirrors, cruise control with tilt wheel, remote start with keyless entry. This Acadia is ready for all of Montana's seasons, and the space to haul the entire family with third-row seating.